Hello everyone, here we are with another practical project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Well, I use three sections like for header, footer and for main, and I use subsection in the main like about me, my projects, skill and etc. And as usual the content belongs to HTML and the stylings goes to CSS, like when we hover on a button, so it's going to uh, be the background color is going to be white and the text color is going to be blue, so that's belong to CSS. And here you can download my CV and some of my projects. And another, I use JavaScript for only two purpose, like for the smooth scroll when we click on the skill section, so it is going to be the smooth scroll to the skill sections, and rather than jumping from one to another. And the second things that I use JavaScript for is the dark mode. When we click on this button, so it is going to be the dark mode. And as usual you can contact me here, and that's it. That was all. I'm gonna put the link below to see this and experience this by yourself, and I'm gonna put the link for the actual code for that in the descriptions. So don't forget to like, subscribe and be in touch with me with the web journey. Thanks for watching.